I built a business that looked successful, but it was quietly burning me out. So I shut everything down, my offers, my funnels, even my audience. And after stepping away for over a year, I'm coming back to rebuild from the ground up, but this time completely differently. I'm Marjorie, a solopreneur, a small business owner, and a marketing enthusiast. And right now, I'm building a business with one simple foundation: one offer, one funnel, one channel. Today, I help personal brands, coaches, creators, consultants rebuild their business in a way that aligns with their life. If you've ever said, I want more leads, my funnel isn't converting, I want to scale but not burn out again, then you're in the right place. I make videos for people like me who are done with bro marketing and fake urgency, who are craving a simple and sustainable strategy, ready to build a buyer's list, not just collect emails, focused on value instead of virality. So, why am I doing this? I'm rebuilding my personal brand in public from zero. No big launch, no complicated funnel, just real strategy, one step at a time. If you're done with the hustle and want a different way to grow, I'll show you how exactly I'm doing it. If that sounds like what you've been waiting for, hit subscribe and keep watching. In the next video, which you can watch right away after this, I'll be talking about why strategy first is the new non negotiable. I'll walk you through the shift that helped me stop chasing tactics, escape content burnout, and finally build a business that pays me back. Go watch it now, because without this shift, your funnel is just duct tape.